देसी बॉयज के अलावा एक और इंडियन फिल्म रिलीज हो रही है कल और वो है डैम 999। दिस वन हैज बीन मेड इन इंग्लिश, यानी इट इज एन इंडियन इंग्लिश फिल्म। और ये फिल्म है एक डैम के बारे में जिसमें बहुत सारे क्रैक्स डेवलप हो गए हैं और जब तक कि बहुत एक्सटेंसिव रिपेयर्स कैरी आउट नहीं होते हैं, ये डैम इज एक्चुअली अ थ्रेट टू ह्यूमैनिटी। बिकॉज अगर ये डैम टूट जाता है तो लाखों लाइव्स जा सकती है। सो दैट्स एन एक्साइटिंग एडवेंचर फिल्म, डैम 999। तो बॉलीवुड की दो फिल्मों के साथ साथ एक हॉलीवुड की रिलीज भी है, द ट्वाइलाइट सागा ब्रेकिंग डॉन पार्ट 1। दिस इज द फोर्थ इन द ट्वाइलाइट सीरीज। और आप तो जानते ही हैं यंगस्टर्स में ये ट्वाइलाइट सीरीज कितनी पॉपुलर है। ट्वाइलाइट वाज वेरी गुड इन इंडिया एंड ट्वाइलाइट न्यू मून भी बहुत अच्छा बिजनेस किया था उस फिल्म ने। एक्लिप्स थोड़ी ठीक ठाक गई थी, बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी नहीं थी। एंड दिस वन, द ट्वाइलाइट सागा ब्रेकिंग डॉन पार्ट 1, ऑफ कोर्स स्टार्स रॉबर्ट पैटिंसन अगेन विद कर्स्टन स्टुअर्ट। तो देखते हैं ये तीन फिल्मों में से, यानी दो बॉलीवुड की फिल्म और एक हॉलीवुड फिल्म में से कौन सी फिल्म अल्टीमेटली बॉक्स ऑफिस रेस जीतती है। तो ये तो हुई बात अबाउट द रिलीजेस ऑफ टुमारो। आइए अब वक्त है हमारे आज के गेस्ट से मिलने का। पिछले हफ्ते ही केरला में एक अर्थक्वेक आया जिसकी वजह से मुल्ले पेरियार डैम जो है वहां पर कोचिन के पीछे, उसमें क्रैक्स आ गए। और इत्तेफाक से इस फ्राइडे को, इस शुक्रवार को एक फिल्म रिलीज हो रही है डैम 999, जो भी इसी डैम यानी मुल्ले पेरियार डैम के बारे में बात करती है और बताती है कि अगर इस डैम के साथ कुछ नहीं किया जाता तो फिर कितनी लाइव्स डेंजर में है। फ्रेंड्स, आज हमारे साथ स्टूडियो में इसी फिल्म डैम 999 के मेकर यानी डायरेक्टर सोहन रॉय है और उस फिल्म की एक्ट्रेस लिंडा आर्सेनियो भी है। प्लीज वेलकम देम। वेलकम टू ईटीसी बॉलीवुड बिजनेस। ये तो बहुत बड़ा इत्तेफाक है कि आपकी फिल्म रिलीज हो रही है और रिलीज से एक हफ्ते पहले ये अर्थक्वेक आता है इसी डैम को। मतलब क्रैक्स आते हैं इसी डैम में। Isn't it a coincidence?
Yeah, we can say it's a coincidence, but for me, I'm not surprised because we have been expecting this. In the last 9 months, we had 22 earthquakes there.
In Kerala?
In Kerala.
Okay.
And this issue has been going on for a long time.
Uh-huh.
Even 4 years back, when I planned for the movie, I was looking for a right subject. So once I read this, I read an article about this matter. On the spot, I knew that because I am staying right in front of this dam only in the Cochin city.
Oh.
So we are all scared actually.
So your life is as much in danger as the other people of Cochin.
If it happens, this is the world's largest man-made disaster. 2.5 million people will be finished. That is scientifically proved figure.
तो गवर्नमेंट क्यों नहीं करती है कुछ?
No, because of there is a contract between Kerala and Tamil Nadu to share this water for 999 years.
Oh.
It's a bullshit contract signed before independence and got renewed after independence.
Achha.
And this court case is going on in the Supreme Court for the last 3 decades.
Oh.
And surprisingly, so far the world's largest man-made disaster happened is not in Hiroshima or Nagasaki, this nuclear disaster, but in 1975 in China there was a dam disaster. It was called the Bangkiao Dam disaster.
Achha.
And surprisingly, this Bangkiao and Mulle Periyar got the same capacity.
Oh.
And Mulle Periyar is situated 7 times more altitude than Bangkiao. That's why the potential energy is very high. It is calculated that the potential energy of Mulle Periyar is equivalent to 180 times that of the nuclear bomb used in Hiroshima.
Oh my God. So Linda, that scares you that you've been part of this film?
Well, it was very exciting to be a part of the film, but it definitely scares me for the people surrounding this dam. I think it's a wake-up call.
Yeah, it is a wake-up call. आपने ये फिल्म अंग्रेजी में क्यों बनाई? इंडिया में जनरली हिंदी में या साउथ में तमिल, तेलुगु, मलयालम, कन्नड़ में बनती है। आपने इंग्लिश में बनाने की क्यों सोची?
No, actually, for Kerala, this is Mulle Periyar issue. But dams are the biggest threat for the modern civilization because across the world right now there are 4,000 similar outdated dams existing. And by 2020, the figure will be 40,000. And none of the governments across the world, they got the financial backup or the time required to replace all these dams. Because normally for replacing a dam, you need to have 5 to 10 years of planning.
Correct.
Who will go for all this long-term planning? Because of the political things. Because you will start and somebody else will...
Some other political party will come into power.
So they don't want to give the credit to the others. So this is the main issue. And most of the dams across the world, they were all built after Second World War. And all these dams are built using concrete, most of the latest dams. And concrete technology says after 40 years, there won't be any elasticity in the concrete technology. It will be losing every day, okay? That means after 40 years, it can collapse any time. So normally the life of any concrete dam is 50 years. So that means most of the dams, 85% of the dams built will be outdated by 2020. So we need to plan from now onwards at least to replace it by 2020.
फिर भी आपने ये नहीं बताया कि अंग्रेजी में क्यों, English में क्यों?
Because my plan was to make an international movie because the movie is produced by BIS TV Network. It's a global television channel.
जो आपका चैनल है?
Yeah, it's our channel.
क्या नाम है? BIS TV Network.
BIS TV Network.
तो ये चैनल किसका है?
No, actually this is the only television channel for the entire shipping industry in the world.
अच्छा, ये shipping industry के बारे में चैनल है?
Shipping industry in the world.
Okay.
So we decided, okay, we should go for an international thing, because whether you make this movie in local language or international language, the message is same. And this is a global issue, so let the entire world see this one.
So because it is in English, Linda has become a part of this film?
Yeah, naturally. When I wrote the story, it was like that, because if you make 100% characters Indians, it will become just like another Slumdog Millionaire or something, okay? But we were trying to make a mix of East and West culture. The story is accordingly. I made the story accordingly, so that the Western people also will have a feel that this they are also a part of this one. Okay. So it worked out very well, and Linda played a very, very beautiful performance in that one now.
Linda, you were earlier seen in Kabul Express.
Yes.
That was a disaster of a different kind. This is a disaster of a different kind. So you're
to
graduating
becoming
a disaster heroine.
Well, in Kabul Express, we shot in, for some time, 2 months in Kabul, Afghanistan.
Exactly.
We were surrounded 24/7 by members of the Afghani army. We stayed in a compound and with daily death threats from the Taliban. So, and then, now this with the natural disasters. So, but it's a very interesting character that Sohan Roy created, all 9 characters, but I play the character of Veer, which is representative of courage.
Okay. तो अच्छा, characters भी 9 ही हैं इस फिल्म में?
Yeah, actually.
तो 9 figure का बहुत ज़्यादा significance है. Damn 999 because of 999 years contract.
The movie is all about number 9. Actually, this is a replay for Slumdog Millionaire. Because I travel a lot across the world, and wherever I go, people nowadays look at Indians through Slumdog Millionaire. They all think that India is full of slums. That is not the truth. India is rich with our culture, our family bondings, our Vedas, our music, our Ayurveda, a lot of things, our astrology, so many things are there. But what I was trying to do is, okay, we have a theme, this is a dam disaster. But when I tell the story, we should show the positive things, wherever we are richer, that part we need to show it. So we have adapted all these things. So one of the elements I selected was the Navarasa concept. Because Navarasa is the greatest contribution to the theatrical world from India. Because from the Natya Veda, it got evolved, the Natya Shastra got evolved. So the Bharat Muni developed this Navarasa concept. So it's a very beautiful concept. But unfortunately, the Western world still, they are not aware about this Navarasa concept. Or 9 emotions we are expressing through Navarasa.
So what emotion does Linda play?
That is a Veer Rasa.
So, Veer Rasa.
And luckily, Veer Rasa plays always the climax sequence, all the action sequence. She was handling.
So Linda, you had to take special training for doing action scenes?
Well, I mean, by God's grace, I had already been training. I trained mixed martial arts, extreme mixed martial arts.
So that came in handy in the film?
Yes, very much so.
And do you enjoy doing action scenes?
I do, and I'm looking forward to doing more of them.
तो ये अंग्रेजी में बनी है और अलग languages हिंदी वगैरह में डब हुई है?
This is for the first time a movie is getting released in India in 5 different languages.
अच्छा.
Yeah, we are releasing it in Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, and Malayalam also.
Besides the English version?
Yeah, besides English,
Okay. और ये simultaneously 5 languages में release
Yeah, all same on 25th, November 25th we are releasing it.
Correct. इस फिल्म का संगीत आप लोगों ने अलग-अलग cities में और अलग-अलग countries में भी रिलीज किया मेरे ख्याल से.
Yeah, different countries.
तो ये ऐसा क्यों किया आपने?
No, actually, because this is a musical movie as well.
अच्छा.
Yeah. Okay. You are looking from the musical angle. The movie you can watch it from 9 different angles. So one angle is the musical angle. So it's because Indian music is very rich compared to the Western thing.
Correct.
And the first registered music in the world got evolved from India. That is the Veda mantras.
Correct.
Whichever raga you are using 5,000 years back, the same raga you are using now also. So the movie as such is starting from the Shanti mantra. Okay. So it's a research piece by Avsar Bachchan, who is the National Award winner. So there are 9 songs in this one. Everything move around this number 9, because number 9 is the most significant number as per Vedic mathematics. So we have adapted.
तो गाने भी 9 रखे हैं आपने.
Now 9 locations are there, 9 songs are there in this movie. So and 9 songs also different moods. Okay. So it's a beautiful work by Mr. Avsar Bachchan.
तो आपने ये 9th को रिलीज क्यों नहीं की?
No, actually, in the climax you can see that the dam disaster what we are showing is on 999. Okay, 2009 is happening like that. The climax is we are showing in the movie.
Okay. तो by profession otherwise आपकी ये पहली फिल्म है बतौर डायरेक्टर राइटर, मगर वैसे एक टेलीविजन चैनल आप ओन करते हैं. What else do you do?
I'm basically a ship designer. It's a naval architect, because normal architects they design buildings. I design ships.
Ships. अच्छा. तो ships से फिल्मों में दिलचस्पी कैसे हुई?
Actually, movie making was my passion.
Always?
Back. After my engineering, I joined film industry for some time, but I had to quit it because of the pressure from my family. Okay. Then I joined my profession. But by 2003, I decided I need to do something on the visual media. So I took a diploma in film direction and production from Hollywood Film Institute. Then I had to do a project. So my project was to start a television channel. Okay. So I successfully did it. So then I started making programs for this channel. Then I got the confidence.
जो आपका channel है?
Yeah, it's our own channel. So then I got the confidence. Then I decided, okay, it's time to make a movie.
And this time there were no family pressures not to do.
No, because this movie also I am making as a part of branding of maritime industry. Okay, if you are looking from the mariners angle, it's a mariners movie, because a lot of mariners acting in this movie. This entire project is supported the maritime industry, and even we are showing a ship in this movie, which is supposed to be the biggest floating object ever shown in any movie. It is going to enter the Guinness Book of World Records. It's a 330,000 tonner tanker we are showing.
अच्छा. तो ये फिल्म बनाने में जितनी बड़ी आप टन्स की बात कर रहे हैं, पैसा भी उतना ही ज्यादा लगा है, और it's not a very big budget.
No, it's a $10 million budget. Actually, if you look at from the Hollywood studio angle, it's a $100 million project equivalent. That script, if you make it in any Hollywood studio, it is $100 million worth project. But since we made the entire thing in India with a made in India stamp, with the entire crew, production crew, except these 4 actors from Hollywood, entire job was done by Indians, so we could reduce this budget to 10 million. 1/10.
Okay, 1/10. Okay. Yeah. मगर ये इंडिया में तो रिलीज हो रही है, साइमल्टेनियसly फॉरेन कंट्रीज में भी आप रिलीज कर रहे हैं या वो बाद में करेंगे?
No, actually we have a huge marketing plan. So as per that, our Oscar screening is over at Los Angeles. So the Oscar nomination will be coming by December end. So it depends on the Oscar nominations. The international release will be fixed. Because if there is a nomination, we can release only after March. Because the marketing value will go up.
Correct.
So what we are now doing is, we are releasing in India and Middle East right now, wherever Indian population is there. So that we can
basically for the Indian population, abhi aap release kar rahe hain.
We are just establishing the movie among the Indians, so that the hype, we can create the hype and then go to the international market. So that is our present marketing plan.
Okay. And Linda, how was it working in this film along with other co-stars? I think there are 4 heroines in the film, right?
Yes, there's 4 females, along with 5 males to make up the 9 characters. And it was awesome. I've been living and working in India for some time now, so I'm normally.
But we don't get to see too much of you. Why? You restrict yourself, or the offers coming your way?
Oh no, it's not about restriction. There are offers. I'm just very particular and keen on playing the correct characters at this point. And I mean, by God's grace, I've worked throughout India. I've worked in Bollywood and Telugu and Malayalam and Tamilian, so I've definitely made my way around India. But working on this project in particular was nice, because I am used to working normally with Indians, but we have Joshua from America, there's another character, so it was nice to be working with all of it. It's very much international, to have Indians and Americans, everybody working together.
तो इस फिल्म की शूटिंग भी आपने केरला में ही की है?
No, we had 9 locations.
अच्छा, locations भी
9. The script was 99 pages.
Oh.
Okay. So even the shooting days, you can say that it was total shooting days was 91, but with the camera, camera, it was 90 days. 1 day was with the still cameras for the special effects.
Okay, so movie cameras was 90 days.
90 days, yeah. So for everything revolved
तो
around.
केरला के अलावा और कहाँ
No, we had a shoot in Alleppey, in Ernakulam, then Adrapalli, then Ooty, Pichi Dam, Ramoji Film City. The main location was Ramoji Film City.
तो जी मुझे एक और चीज बताइए, आप तो जानते हैं कि इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री बहुत ही स्टार सेंट्रिक है. जब तक स्टार्स नहीं होते हैं पब्लिक सिनेमा घरों में नहीं आती है. तो आपकी फिल्में जाने पहचाने स्टार्स नहीं हैं, बड़े नामचीन स्टार्स नहीं हैं, तो आप ऑडियंस को सिनेमा घर तक कैसे लाएंगे?
Thing is, see, all the epic movies you take, for example, Titanic, where is the star? Okay, the subject, the theme is the star. We have built, we build up the marketing strategy, everything accordingly only. In our movie, the main thing is the script and the concept. Okay.
Okay.
And all the people like Linda, they are supporting it. Okay, they are the pillars. Okay, but we are quite sure that this subject, there is no equivalent subject like this dam issue. So that is more than sufficient to attract the people. Once you are in the theater, you will bring 10 people. That is 100% sure.
Chalo, here's wishing you all the very best,
Okay,
Mr.
thank
Roy.
you.
And Linda, you too.
Thank you.
And let's just hope, keep our fingers crossed,
Okay.
कि जिस तरह गवर्नमेंट ये डैम डिजास्टर के बारे में सोच नहीं रही है, एटलीस्ट पब्लिक इस फिल्म के बारे में सोचे और सिनेमा घर तक जाए.
Okay.
Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you.
Thank you. तो दोस्तों ये थे मिस्टर सोहन रॉय एंड लिंडा आर्सेनियो, द डायरेक्टर एंड एक्टर ऑफ डैम 999. आपने इनसे सुना कि डैम 999 की कहानी क्या है. इट्स अबाउट दिस मुल्ले पेरियार डैम विच इज सडनली इन द न्यूज थैंक्स टू द earthquake that struck Kerala. शायद कुदरत इनके साथ है. एंड अब आपके साथ की जरूरत है. इस फ्राइडे को रिलीज हो रही है. सो यू नो व्हाट यू गॉट टू डू.